Shibenta na gajing penkre ya gajing ra khedap sanpos nem gajingyo jilla bapura na kaliang ka office jong UBDO ka laskain CNRD block lembaga Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society mendakas ngi balang kala penlong da program penkup buram yaki SHG kabalatip kum ka SHG mega camp Hamadan Shangpung Musim West Jaintia Hills District uba hamle doling umentri ka CNRD jong gajala ulalong kum ukongsan jong kani gasngi ula ai ka jingero yaki kunuhun self help group ke bela treshi tom hakakam man penmi ye jingbam bat ki martin rai ba pher ula pen sngawru ba ka sarkar ka don ye ka thong man penrung ye ki SHG hapo ka sarkar la kumnu hadu 100,000 tali ki SHG house number 1 na kalian ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society kala penlum penlang ya ki longkime ban seng ye ki self help group ke bela kenjo menta sya ki life 100,000 tali ki SHG hapo ka jela tang hapo ka lasken blong ki ladon hadu khanre uspa khnai fu nyau tali ki SHG bat hapo West Jaintia Hills District ki ladon hadu 1000 arspa sunfly tali ki SHG
key reduction plan that the SHG members is compiling or is doing at the SHG level, where they try to identify the vulnerable section from among the SHG members and even non-SHG members, and they try to address these kinds of issues, this kind of vulnerability through this VRF. So an amount of 1 lakh is given for each and every VO through this VRF. And at the same time, we are also happy since we have our banker friends also here. We have with us Madam Chairman of MRB, Madam Cherry. She has given her time to be with us today because to announce and to sanction all loans of all pending loans of the SHGs under the district, which is 31 in numbers.